3i's Technologies presents a Batch House Rotary Scalpel instructional video. In this video we will be presenting and describing the easily removable components of the Rotary Scalpel, along with procedures taken to remove and assemble them.
No use of tools being required.
To begin our presentation, we will start at the HMI screen. From the main screen, click on the Settings button. Next, click the Manual tab, followed by clicking the Manual button. Once here, click the Remove Drum button. Doing this will have the machine move the scalpel outward into the position necessary for drum removal. Before moving forward, a breakdown of the removable components will be described. The rotary scalpel was designed to be easily assembled and disassembled for quick cleaning and minimal downtime. There are three components that ensure that this is possible: the C-frame, the bottom discharge, and the drum.
The C-frame is what makes the front discharge easily removable from the main body of the machine. It consists of a gate and a gate piston, which is used to keep material in the drum as it rotates. There are 4 tabs on the C which fasten it to the main body, allowing for removal within seconds. This we will demonstrate later on in the video.
The bottom discharge catches any of the evacuated material that remains in the drum once it's past the front discharge outlet. Once collected, it can be recycled back into the batch through pneumatic conveying or simply by gravity into a container. There are 2 tabs on the bottom discharge that let it be held in place by latches on the machine. The drum is designed to be easily removed from the machine and cleaned. Once out of the rotary scalpel, it can be easily and quickly disassembled and reassembled. The D plate on the left side of the drum ensures that it engages properly with the drive shaft, while also making sure the drum is not put in backwards. Next, the disassembly procedure is continued, having already clicked the Remove Drum button. First, the air hose is disengaged from the piston, and the 4 tabs holding the C-frame to the Z housing are loosened, allowing for the removal of the C. Next, the 2 latches holding the bottom discharge in place are released, and the bottom discharge is removed. Once this is completed, you could proceed with the removal of the drum. Open the cover to the scalpel connecting bar. Inside, lift the shaft holding pin and turn it so as to disengage it from the shaft. Grab a hold of the drum and slide it to the right. While still holding the drum, lift the connecting bar off of the key that holds the scalpel in position. Here, the same action is shown from a different angle. Once the drum is slid over and the scalpel is disengaged, the scalpel must be rotated downwards, so that the drum will be allowed to pass around it. The drum can now be removed, tilting the left side downward first as you pull away. The machine is now disassembled and ready to be cleaned or possibly have a different type of drum installed. Looking back at the HMI, our software presents an alarm indicating that the drum has been removed. This will not go away until the Install Drum button is clicked. Before doing this, you must reassemble the machine. Start this off by twisting the scalpel downward and inserting the drum right side first, upward into the Z housing. Engage the left side of the drum with the D of the left side shaft. Once the shaft is in position, lift and twist the pin so that it snaps in and holds the shaft in place. Place the connecting bar back into the scalpel key, making sure that the scalpel nozzle is facing outwards towards the front discharge outlet. Reattach the bottom discharge using the 2 latches found on either side of the bearing blocks. Slide the C-frame onto the Z housing, tightening the 4 tabs and re-engaging the air hose into the piston. The Install Drum button can now be pushed, removing the alarm indicated, and prompting the scalpel to return to home position. Push the auto button and return to the main screen to continue with operations.
For more information, visit our website at www.3istech.com.